Okay, I have no idea where to begin with this. Now, many years ago, I dreamt of making a complete model like for sale, but I kind of gave up on that thought 10 or 15 years ago and it was gone in my head. It was something I just thought about the other day. Holy Toledo, this is something I dreamt about a long time ago. If I can find these boxes, this is the way this model will come, and there'll be another maybe two boxes inside this, but this model fits comfortably inside this box. So anyway, I want to say thank you to all you guys for letting me take up all of your time to watch this thing happen because um, in a way a lot of this happened because a lot of you guys kind of wanted it to happen. So I probably wouldn't have had the tenacity to go this far without you guys cheering me on. So anyway, these little parts I'll be pulling out of here at first, these will be in their own box inside of this box. But ironically, this thing fits perfectly inside this box. Let's look at all the parts. Now this stuff is ABS, so if I wanted to, I could just pack it loose in this box, which I'm not going to, of course, right? But it's going to give me such freedom in shipping that it's going to make it much more, what would you say, enticing to be able to make the model and ship it because of less worrying about breakage. And I think I counted 46, I guess, parts. I'm actually planning on one or two more parts to be included in the kit, but I don't know yet. There's 10 almost fully produced. They're almost fully produced. These things take time, of course, and I'm making them in batches, right? Batches of landing gear, batches of motors, etc., etc. And basically, now that the model is built and almost completely, like, 99.9 tenths engineered, it's actually ready for sales because the only things left now is the fine tuning the model so it comes out cleaner with less cleanup on the model builder's part, Robert Small, the model maker, to the model builder. Anyway, so I don't notice anything missing, but there it is. There's the complete Skunk Works 1/48 scale Boeing X-20 Dyna-Soar. Again, you guys, I can't say thank you enough. This has been really interesting. There'll be more modifications done to this as this goes up and down in scale. I picked this as kind of the center point because I'll be going down in scale and then up in scale. This is almost totally to the top of the scale, so this gave me a chance to put moderate amount of detail into it, versus at 1/32 scale where even the pilot will probably come in 5 or 6 parts, right? So, wow. Thanks everybody for holding your breath.